Hello, dear traders. With you, analytical service System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general information about the corporation. A little further, we will study each indicator in more detail. If necessary, you can pause the video. You can examine each parameter of the company in more detail. We will analyze the company's key indicators with you. Imperial Petroleum Incorporated, ticker IMPP. This review is based on current data as of June 24, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets, company Imperial Petroleum Inc. belongs to the subcategory Energy Logist. 41 companies are participating in the assessment. We will look at the order table closer to the end of this video. The overall score for the company under study is 7.5 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is 0.8 points. If you look broadly, within the market as a whole, note that the average score for the US stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a score of 7.5 points, Imperial Petroleum Incorporated. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price, Imperial Petroleum Incorporated, and subcategory companies, we see that over 12 months the company's shares Imperial Petroleum Incorporated showed a change of minus 2.5%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory of 20.2%. Market capitalization of the company Imperial Petroleum Inc. amounts to $0.12 billion, with a capitalization of the subcategory of $523 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.43 billion. With a book capitalization of $191 billion, the subcategory is worth $191 billion. Comparing the shares of the stock exchange and book value, we see the following. Occupied share Imperial Petroleum Incorporated in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 0.022%. The book value is 0.225%. Assessment of the company's market share and book value in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The organization has no financial obligations. The company's debt score, very good, 2 points. The balance of the company's market price to its profit is 2.6. Average for the subcategory is 15.5. Assessment of market price to earnings ratios in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profits for the last 12 months were $45 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $65 million. Assessment of projected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's price-to-sales ratio is 0.8. The average in the subcategory is 1.3. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $140 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is projected to be $180 million. Assessment of projected future revenue indicators in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The marginality is 32.3%, with the average for the subcategory being 8.6%. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 0.32%, which is 1,355% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is $398,000. And in the subcategory, there are $5,772,000. Assessment of the volume of market capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per employee is $153.6 thousand, with an average for the subcategory of $372.6 thousand. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Passable, 0 points. The company's sales volume per individual employee is $475,000. In the subcategory, $4,358,000. Sales volume per employee compared to subcategory figures. Passable, 0 points. The short position of shares is 13%, compared to the average for the subcategory of 2.1%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 65% for the company Imperial Petroleum Incorporated. In the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately 47%. The company's current share price is around $3.38. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $5.51. Let's go to the order table. It is available to everyone. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly accepted decisions in the current season by the information and reference system Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the results of the stock analysis, Imperial Petroleum Incorporated. Information and reference system of assessment Guru.Markets, the following decision was made. Open a buy trade at $3.37. The deal is open because the company has a fairly high rating. The company's valuation was carried out based on the valuation model, the Akeem's index. Take profit is set at 4.35. Stop loss is set at 2.39. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is closed automatically based on the results of trading on July 24, 2025, or on the last trading day before this date. Ticker GEL will become a balance sheet transaction for sale. The video on the balancing order will be or has already been published on the channel. In case of closing of any of the orders, basic or balancing, the second order is closed at the actual price. Thank you very much, audience, for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.